Hola, clase. Although the primary purpose of this course is for you to learn the basics of communicating in Spanish, it's also important to learn some of the culture of countries where Spanish is the primary language. Your task for this assessment is to build a cultural tour slideshow of a Spanish-speaking country of your choice. You'll do so by using the Google Earth Project's application. Here I will demonstrate an example of what your finished product might look like. If you look at this is the first slide, and then you can just scroll through them here. I chose 5 different locations or culturally significant places in Ecuador. And you can see the photos and information that are auto-populated. And my final option was the Galapagos Islands off the coast of Ecuador. And then the final slide is the references that would need to be properly formatted according to APA guidelines. Now, moving on, this is a slide of the requirements for your slideshow. These will be available in your assignments folder that you can pull up and print out for your reference. Make sure you meet all of these requirements. And then I'm now going to go back to Google Earth, and I'm going to show you how to do a couple of these features that'll help you with your own slideshow. So first you're going to go into the Google Earth app, and you're going to click on New and Project. And you need to go up here first and title your project. So we'll just call it Sample Slideshow. Tab out of that. It automatically saves it to Google Drive. And then the first location, I already had mine selected prior to doing my slideshow, and I recommend you do the same. My first one I'll type in was Cuenca. Select that, and you can see it pulls it up and it zooms right into the center of that city. And then you want to come over here and hit Save Project. So now it is part of my presentation here. Okay. Now Google will auto-populate with photos and information from Google, but I expect each of your locations to have your own information typed in that you researched and photos that you pulled offline from other places, different from what it auto-populates with. So we will click Update. I recommend you do the media first. You would upload an image or file. I'm just going to go with a random one here from my computer. It's going to take it a second here. So you see that's there, and then you can type the description, and just for time's sake I'm just going to type in a little line of gibberish there, and it's going to save that as well, and you can take a quick view of it. Alright, you close that out, and then I'll also show you here how you would do, you would go over here to the plus and you can add another slide. This would be for your title and for your references slide. You do title, tab down, and same thing, we'll just put some stuff in there. You can take a view of it, X that out, and then we're going to move it up to the front of that. Okay. And then you could take a look here at what it's going to look like. There's your title page and your first one that we've entered. So when you get to doing on yours, make sure you explore some of the other features available, and don't forget to review the slideshow requirements that will be posted to the drive. I hope you have a chance to learn a lot from this, and I look forward to seeing your creativity.